Mix grout to a smooth peanut butter consistency and let it slake before final remixing so your bathroom floor joints cure strong and color stays even. Start by selecting sanded grout for joints wider than 1/8 of an inch and unsanded for narrower joints, and measure powder and clean water by volume for repeatable results. Pour the measured powder into a clean bucket and add about 3/4 of the recommended water, then mix with a margin trowel or low-speed drill mixer until the texture resembles peanut butter with no dry streaks. Cover the mixture and let it slake for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow full hydration and reduce lumping, then remix briefly, adding small amounts of water only if needed to reach the working consistency. Keep the working time in mind. Grout will stiffen as it sets, so only mix what you can apply within the pot life stated by the manufacturer. Wear a proper respirator and avoid creating dust when measuring powder, and use gloves to protect skin from alkaline irritation. Clean tools and change out mixing water if it gets dirty to prevent color contamination and premature setting. 3 common mistakes are mixing too thin, which leads to shrinkage and weak joints, adding extra water on the fly, so color and strength vary, and not allowing a proper slake time, which causes lumps and poor workability. Fix the first by aiming for the peanut butter feel and mixing smaller batches. Fix the second by measuring water and powder and remixing only with tiny increments of water. And fix the third by setting a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and remixing gently before use. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like grout mixing and tile installation, and we help homeowners find local contractors while giving contractors access to new work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share techniques, product experiences, and troubleshooting tips for tile and grout projects.